I'll always be responding to some of your questions concerning few things that you maybe want to know about casinos, the small ones commonly known as the Chinese machines, especially here in Uganda, and the common things that most of them use. Today I'm going to talk about the power supply. This is a power supply which is in my hand. This was a spoiled one, and someone wanted to know, like, he asked me a question like, I have a power supply. When I press, this is a potentiometer, I think this is a potentiometer, this switch, there's a switch here, as you can see. For those who know this type, these power supplies, they always have this kind of switch around. Now, the first one was asking like, when you press the command button from the machine, it doesn't rotate the hooper. It doesn't send signal back to the, the power supply doesn't rotate the hooper. So I told him that only majorly there's about 3 factors that maybe will make your hooper not to rotate. One, the fault could be the power supply. The fault could be coming from your jumper wire, that is the line of the SSR, or could be coming from the payout IC from the board. There are different types of payout ICs from the board depending on which type of board. Okay, so for those who know it, and for those who don't know it, maybe you can, depending on the type of machine you have. Now, this is a power supply that wasn't paying, so I'm going to talk about the power supply strictly mainly because this is what is in my hand. I've already fixed it, but I'm going to demonstrate what the problem was. One, the fault came from this power supply, that it wasn't rotating the hooper. So where did the problem come from? When you see these 2 transistors here, let me put it closer, much closer. Every power supply, when you look at it, most of them they'll have these 2. When one is faulty, of course, the hooper will not rotate. And also, when one is faulty, the hooper will constantly rotate. Mark my word very clearly. These 2, they play different roles. So when one is faulty, like I said, the hooper will rotate constantly. And then when one is also faulty, the hooper will not rotate. Whether you command it or you press the payout button from the machine will not rotate. It will not do the payout. So these are mainly the 2 things. So how do you know? For those who don't know how to measure faulty things, I'm just giving you a free lesson. Any fault, just change these 2. If you don't have, get from a different power supply that maybe has a different problem, that is spoiled, that maybe you don't want to use it, you can change these 2. Then you'll be good to go. Okay? And you must know how to position them. For a common learner, sometimes you learn from job. You learn from the field itself. Okay? As you look at it. Thank you so much.